Oh, there's some brakes in here somewhere, I'm sure. Oh, no, that is first. This is all weird and tall and wobbly. Do we reckon that my £100 or $140 ADV bike is going to pass its roadworthiness test after 14 years? Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm out on a bit of a different bike. I'm out on the KLE. I'm taking it for its MOT. If you're new here, my name's Sarah. I post motorcycle related content on YouTube every Friday. If you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. So this is the first time I've been out on a bike for several months now. 3rd of November was the last time I went out for a ride, because pretty much since then we've been on lockdown in the UK, which means we haven't been able to go out and ride bikes. However, today it's classed as an essential journey. I'm going for the MOT on this bike, so it means that I can actually get out for a ride, which is absolutely fantastic. It's been really difficult not being able to get out and ride over the last few months, and I know an awful lot of people are in the same position. Anyway, enough of that. So this is my KLE500. Those of you who have been with the channel for a little while now might have seen some of my other videos where I was doing the various rebuild jobs on this bike. I pulled it out of a shed where it had been sat for 14 years. I did a complete rebuild on it. And this is the first time I've ever been out for a ride on it, apart from riding it around the garden. This is the first ride it's been on. So the MOT is a mandatory test in the UK for all vehicles over 3 years old. This is 24 years old. It hasn't been MOT'd for 14 years. We're sat in the shed in pieces. So yeah, this is its maiden voyage really, since its rebuild. Got a few little things I need to sort out on it. Not least, it needs the carbs tweaking a little bit. It's running really rich. That said, not major. It is rideable. It's just not very good at the moment. I'm going to my local MOT place, Marston Service Centre. I MOT all my vehicles. Highly recommended if you're in the sort of Wisbech or Down Market area and you want somebody to MOT your vehicle, then Steve at Marston to shout. Always does a top job. MOT, for those of you who might live in other places, is a basic roadworthiness test, so they check all the safety critical stuff, so tyres and lights, things like that. Fairly simple test. Quite common to fail it though, so we shall see whether I can get this bike through its MOT after it's been sat in a shed for 14 years. What do we reckon? Morning. Come out of the MOT test and we got a pass. Clean sheet, clean bill of health, no advisories, no issues, which is absolutely awesome. Really pleased. So that means that technically the bike is completely legal again. I just need to get some tax for it and we are good to go. I've got a few little things that I want to deal with on the bike before I take it on any longer distance rides. Not least getting the carbs set up properly. It's not terrible, but it's running quite rich, so definitely needs some adjustment. So absolutely awesome to be back out on a bike after 4 months. Made all the better by taking this lovely little KLE. After all these years sat in the shed unloved, getting it back on the road, getting it road legal once again. Which means I've got another bike that I can enjoy this year. It's been absolutely awesome having you along for the ride. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have after all this time, and out on a new bike as well. It's been absolutely fantastic having you along for the ride. If you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Check back every week for more new content. I'll be back again next Friday with more new stuff. I'll see you then.